Hi Chad, welcome to another stream. How we all doing today? It is... Oh, it's fucking March already. It's March 3rd of 2025, and we are back for yet another stream. I didn't stream this weekend because I was playing Pokemon Go with my brother and my best friend from high school. And it was really fucking cold, but we had fun anyway. Yeah, but we're back today. The plan for today's stream is to do some miscellaneous open source stuff and then finish the feature that we sort of worked on the back end for last time for pre-commit.ci. We got the, with a hacky if statement, we got the missing config allowed for paid accounts feature working. So we're gonna hopefully figure out where that's going to get configured and make some UI, and probably going to look like garbage, but who cares? It's going to be seen by a very small number of people. And we will play around with that. How are we all doing today? Let me say hi to everyone who's here. Marsha and JJMC were here before the stream started, but JJMC is still first. Marsha is also still here. Hello, hello. Strongly Typed is here. And I got a notification to replay. Is the music loud? It feels very loud. Oh, it seems about the right volume. Oh, I'm not logged in. Time to log in. Wilfred's also here. Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Lee says happy Monday. Happy Monday indeed. I mean, if Mondays can be happy. And have this to replay. Strongly Typed has resubbed at 4 years. God damn! When the message said "is 4 fingers too much," my mind went somewhere else. My mind went somewhere else. But yeah, I also have a bottle of wine to finish. So come on, focus. There we go. It is an Italian wine. Yes. That my dad and I started, but we didn't finish it, so that's what I'm doing today. Hooray! I don't really want to leave a bottle of wine sitting around half finished, but yeah. Wolfert says I'm finna bus. Okay, all right. This is going in the VOD. Yeah, it'll be in the VOD. It's true. It'll be there. Polymathic Man is also here. Thank you for the resub at 55 months. Oh, I replayed it twice. I don't know what I'm doing. Click the wrong button. We get party twice! Yeah! The 4 fingers also went somewhere else? Yes, yes. Strongly typed. Indeed. That was the strong implication. Wow, so Clutch is also here. Cheers. Cheers, chat. My 1 glass of wine. It's slightly oxidized from sitting out, but what are you gonna do? Greetings! Hello, hello, Robobato. Good to see you again. It's also Updog Day, so I think it's already finished though, because there wasn't too much to update, and I already got my notifications, and yeah. So I'm just gonna click through these real quick. Yeah, if it did the Ace-Atelier, this is like one of the last ones that it does. So Updog Day is finished. Uh-oh. Terraform Cloud is erroring. Ah, shit. It's probably Cloudflare. But we'll look at that in a sec, too. Looks like Rubocop got an update. Cool. Very cool. Which means this one is also that. Yes, indeed. And Terraform got an update, too. Wolfert says, y'all should be proud of me. My self-control today. Oh, no. What are you self-controlling? Also, Strongly Type mentioned that the chat doesn't support watch streaks. Yeah. We started looking at this and then didn't finish figuring it out, but it's gonna be you'll see it after streaming Dixord, or I can just click on Dixord right now. Spoilers. Yes, indeed. Congratulations on your self-control, Wilfred. I would have just sent it. Useless Pony, hello, how you doing? Wolfred's on a 5 stream streak. Nice, nice. That's so many. It's so many in a row. All right, merge. You gotta figure out why this one's broken. Useless Pony says, "Sup, all doing well? Good to hear that, and good to see you again. It's been a bit, so welcome back." Not that one. Delete. 5. Yes. 5 is more than 4. It's true. It's true. Particularly Pythonic is on a 7 stream streak. Hello. Good to see you again. Stronger Type says to use KVM or Hyper-V. I don't remember. I can mouse over this. It says KVM, but the execution engine is VTX AMDV, not VTX because that's the Intel implementation. So AMDV, but I don't fucking know. I know the Hyper-V is a big fucking pain in the ass, and like my crazy video was like nonsense, but yeah. Particularly Pythonic says, "Hope you are doing well." I am indeed, and I hope you are as well. Helmetware says, "I was worried Cloud was going to take over my job, but then I watched it play Pokemon." Is that what's going on Twitch right now? I did see it in my recommended, but I didn't click on it. Cloud plays Pokemon. 2 days ago, debut stream. We're not gonna unmute. Fuck off. Is it just stuck in the bike shop? Why is it so slow? Anyway. It actually has Pokemon, and they actually have names, which is kind of funky. That's kind of cool. They make that rate limited? That's possible. I feel like, yeah, I don't know how I would do this. Clown is rizzing up the shop worker. Okay, we're not gonna show the stream on stream, because who knows what people are gonna say in there. Ronam, hello, welcome. VirtualBox default settings are working well for me. Nice. Hopefully you don't have the weird clock issue that I did. But maybe you're on Intel and then you just don't have that problem, which would be nice. Using the thinking model and that Bill is about to be fucking insane. Right. Oh, where says, speaking of Hyper-V, I think I have to learn how to use it because the latest WSL crashes on me on the daily. Oh. Well, isn't the whole deal with WSL that it uses Hyper-V to do its stuff? Yeah. Drugs? You've dual booted at this point? Yeah. Oh, the bill is about I get it. The cost. I thought you were talking about bill because they're in the bike shop, and that's pretty close to the Bill's lab in Cerulean. I guess the bike shop is the bike shop's in Cerulean, right? Bike shop generation 1. It should be in Cerulean. Fuck off. Of course it recommends my local bike shop. Cool. Guiltic Art. Or is it Galactic Art? I don't know. Buglo stream, thank you for the follow. I hope you're doing well. Appreciate you stopping by. Gen 1's really in, hell yeah. Okay, I'm making sure I don't forget my Pokemon knowledge here. I've dual booted at this point. Okay, that makes more sense in context now. John Tape says, I'm running a 14-year-old i5 CPU and I can still stream in 1080p 60 while coding from within a VM. Yeah, that makes sense. Sounds about right. 14-year-old though. Oh man, actually that's quite a few. It's like 2011? 2011? Yeah, that's probably still fine. I'm forced into Windows by my work, so there's no dual booting. Yeah. I'm forced to macOS by my work, and so I'm having fun with UTM because it's ARM64, and so I can't use VirtualBox, and I could use Parallels, and I have a license for it. Or not Parallels, the other one. What's the other one? I don't fucking know, but I asked for it on my first week at work, and it's been 2.5 years, and I haven't even installed the program yet. So, VMware, thank you, Polymathic Man. That's the one. Yeah, I have a VMware license. UTM is the cute QEMU wrapper. Yeah, it is. It is the QEMU wrapper. Terraform plan errored. Okay. Gonna do this off screen just in case. I'm not logged in. Terraform. Oh, it's annoying is I'm gonna have to log in. Maybe we'll do that in a private window. That way we don't look up that session. And then copy link and paste. And type in my username. Oh no, his username is acetilly0. Whoa. Terraform. Be the password. Yes. And then I'm gonna have to do. Have you switched to OpenTofu, Anthony? I have not, Pandoxer. I'm still using just plain old fucking Terraform. Mostly because I'm using Terraform Cloud, and so yeah. Factor code. Oh no, you saw my two-factor code. It runs on an iPad? That's crazy. Brenham says I need this. Thanks, now I don't need it. There you go. Otherwise use Lima. Yeah, I'm using desktop. We are actually using Lima as our Docker daemon host to run, well, Colima through Lima CTL. And it's pretty fucking unstable, but it's not much fun. Also good to see you again, Pandoxer. I hope you're doing well. Strongly typed is going to bed because it's 5 a.m. Sounds good. That makes sense. That is understandable. Yeah, so this is the same Cloudflare thing that we saw before in pre-commit.ci. So we're just going to kick that can down the road as well. Let's see what we did in pre-commit.ci. Versions this? Yeah, git log -p the versions. So we add this to the thing. GitHub acetilly/terraform. I don't know why the updog didn't hit this. Oh, because it didn't updog. Yeah, that makes sense. Like, why did we hit this in pre-commit.ci but not in my personal Terraform? The answer is because my personal Terraform didn't receive any code changes. So yeah. TensorFlow? No, Terraform. Brenham says HCP's IAM gave me a little bit of a headache today, but I finally managed to bend. I managed it to bend my way. There you go. HCP. Play with that. Azure Core something. Fucking I don't know. Pin Cloudflare. If stage git commit -m pin Cloudflare provider to 4.x. Yes. And at some point I'll figure out the 5.x, but not today. And probably not until it breaks, let's be honest. Anox says, I have a question regarding GitHub Actions and triggering pipelines on comments. Do I have to do anything special? Is some license required? I tried the docs example and it didn't work. It should just work. Because I'm using it with pre-commit.ci. And I don't have the expensive... God, what? Why? That was weird. I don't have the expensive plan. I just have like the basic private plan, but it also works in just normal repos too. But it should just be like issue comment created, edited. It should just work. And it definitely will work in a public repo. But that's weird. Wilfred says, I'll tell you what I will never be using again after today. Docker Swarm? Oh no, Docker Swarm. No. Docker Swarm was a crazy, a crazy promise in that, yeah, it's basically Docker Compose in the cloud, and there are no problems, and everything works perfectly. And then it's like, They changed it to swarm mode. It's still a thing. Yeah, fuck that. The whole like Docker remotely is kind of funky. This is weird. What is it changing? Do to change. What are you changing? SES validation. Value is deprecated in favor of content and will be removed in the next major version. Okay, well, we're gonna ignore that. I see. Wait, but it just... That's fucking annoying. Drugs? Really not a problem. Okay. Things are modified don't matter. Merge! HTTP HashiCorp platform. Ah, I see. HTTP Vault is not Vault by HashiCorp. That was a fun surprise too. Yeah. Well, it's their like hosted product, which makes sense. Oscar says we had a vendor send us software with a built-in Docker binary that was very old recently. Oh no, that's terrifying. Ah, fuck. Pre-commit or Dead Snakes is failing too. Well, we got some annoying stuff to deal with today, so that'll be fun. All right, runs pending. Why are so many pending? I'm just gonna do and discard runs and start this run now. Yes. The big scary button. Yeah. Okay, but now I should be able to... Where's the little button? Oh, do the thing. Always suggest. Yeah. Let me guess. It's one pre-license for the pay of above X million? Are you talking about Terraform Cloud? Terraform Cloud is per user count. So I am one. So I don't have to pay for it. Oh, Docker Desktop. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Docker Desktop. Oh, don't even get me started. That shit is so expensive. Because I manage the bill for it at work. God damn. They charge a fucking arm and a leg for it. It's crazy. The worst is like it's kind of the best solution on macOS. I hate to say that, but it's kind of the best one. Y'all pay for that? We're not really supposed to. We have told our developers we don't support it anymore and we only support Kalima. But some people are like very aggressive about, no, I want a Docker Desktop because it works and I don't want to change. And we're like, well, you're unsupported. If shit breaks, it's your problem. OpenStack is also nice. Yes, but they have a very restrictive commercial license. So we can't actually use OrbStack without paying them an arm and leg either. And so we're stuck maintaining Kalima by ourselves, basically. And Kalima has been unstable, to say the least. Podman Desktop is bad, my guys. We tried Podman. It worked great for our use case, but it's hard for us to say like every developer at Sentry needs to use this now. I really wanted to push for Podman, but the person doing it was like, I don't want to do the work to make sure that it actually works everywhere, and so we didn't do it. I don't know. I haven't used Podman enough on macOS to know the answer, so yeah. You pay for expensive MacBooks to pay for expensive Docker Desktop, and I fucking hate it, EasyLight. I fucking hate it. I literally proposed in a meeting the other day. I was like, our jobs would be so much fucking easier if we threw out every piece of Mac hardware that we had and we just gave everyone Linux laptops. Just buy cheap fucking ThinkPads. They'll run better than the shitty MacBooks that we have. You know, write some fucking Puppet or Terraform, or not Terraform, Puppet or Chef or Ansible or whatever the fuck you want to use, and we can just hand people a laptop that works. And then we don't spend all this goddamn time like, oh shit, Mac OS updated again. What random piece of infrastructure is broken this time? Oh. It's like the fucking utopia.jpg. It's like world if Apple hadn't gotten, you know, shiny brushed aluminum and everyone decided to use it for everything. Drop frames. God damn it. My internet has been annoying for so long. I don't understand. I'm sorry. I don't know what's causing it. And my internet going out stresses me out too, so it's it is what it is. It be what it be. Anyway, we can merge this now. Docker Desktop and Anaconda are persona non grata at work. Yeah. We never have newer ThinkPads at work. They're also bad AF. Hey, but at least like you could provision software on them in a sensible way. We can't do any sort of provisioning on the Macs. Well, we have IT do some stuff, but every attempt to like do it programmatically, it's like developers are like, "Oh, that was part of my workflow. Now you've..." So like, for instance, Klima, we install it in like a special directory so that we don't mess with whatever the fuck they've already done on their computer, which doesn't really work because then they expect the Docker command to work, and it's like, well, if you have the right context, it works. But if you have 3 Docker daemons running, who knows which one it's going to connect to? And then there's the whole port space problem, and then like we're using brew, and so sometimes people will do brew install Postgres instead of libpq-dev or whatever the fuck it is. And so then they'll have Postgres running, and then there'll be 3 things trying to get the port, and like, just sucks. Just fucking sucks. But anyway, all right, updog's out of the way. I'm gonna do that PR later. We're gonna see what's wrong with Dead Snakes. Update failed. That's weird. What the fuck? Exit code 125. That seems like a signal. Hill -- list. Hill -L. So what is it? 127 minus 2? That can't be right. That can't be right. It got sig inted? That doesn't seem right. Well, we'll run it locally and see what's wrong. This next. We'll reclone it just so it's up to date. GitHub dead snakes /pi 314. Sure we're up to date here. I still do -- prune, even though I have set it in my git config for a very long time now. Let's see how long. Git log -g prune git config. It's literally been almost 4.5 years. 4.5 years! And I still fucking type -- prune, even though I don't have to. That's funny. I guess it just goes to show that undoing a muscle memory is tough. Robonta says a MacBook is a fantastic host to run Linux in a VM and do some actual work. It is if your MacBook is not ARM64, because running ARM64 VMs is sort of a pain in the ass on a Mac, because you either use QEMU or pay a shit ton of money, and QEMU is always sort of freaky. That says my second screen mouse flickers. I didn't fix it. Didn't find a fix for it yet. I need to switch HDMI because of USB-C disconnect connect loop. Yeah, there's all sorts of problems. Isn't my concern my screens are set up nicely? You have everyone has screen problems. That's just computers will never be good. Meta GBP update. Are we gonna get the same exit code here? I don't know that I've ever seen this part fail. Weird. Particularly Pythonic says, I never end up using any aliases or configs. I forget, better use the full command in case it's set up differently. Yeah, that's kind of true. But for the most part, I copy my config still, and my config's not long. Like, some typos, turn on color, use Babby. This was temporary from a stream, so we can discard that. But like, not that much there. Okay, this just succeeded, so I kind of feel like GitHub Actions is fucky, which is weird. 14 hours ago. I'm just gonna rerun, see what happens. So it got sig inted, which makes no sense to me, but it succeeded here. It was very weird. And it was the... Which command did it run that it failed on? Like, what part did it fail on? JBP PQ import. Which is this command. Which I'm pretty sure just generates patches based on what's already in the repo. So... very weird. But we'll see what it does on the second one. That seems strange. I know USB-C laptops lack power for DisplayPort delivery consistency. Yeah, that makes sense. Roboto says, I used UTM with Fedora ARM, previously UTM with Arch Linux on an Intel MacBook. Yeah, I mean, I use UTM also, but it seems to... yeah, it just fucking worked this time, so what the hell? What the hell? Changed nothing and it works. You love to see it. You love to see it. Computers were briefly good circa 2009-ish. Alright. Another works on my machine problem? I don't know, it seems to work on their machines now too, so who fucking knows? Who knows? But I don't super care. And if it works, it works. And yeah. It's all good enough. Time to head retries like Sentry? Nah. Nah. And there's already internal retries, so it's like doesn't super... it makes zero sense why it would have failed in there. Especially with the SIGINT. Like something sent it Control C? Unless... man, GBP... yeah. This. Oh, I'm gonna have to read the code too, aren't I? GBP import. Oh, it'd be PQ import? GBP PQ? Yeah. Oh, is it literally just one giant file? No, it's not. Okay. Here are the codes. Where the code live? Probably user lib python 3.13. No, 12. GB site dist packages. No. No way. Wait, where the fuck? I guess I can do it this way. Oh, right. Right. Yeah, I don't see an exit 125 in there, so... scratch system exit? Oh. Oh, what did I do there? Oh, I tried the Babby keyboard shortcut. That's why it didn't work. Oh, God. So here's a sys.exit in PQ, which is probably relevant. So ret val 1? That doesn't check out. That doesn't make any sense. These are all retval of 1. Exit codes.parse error. DP scripts common. Init.py, gross. Yeah, none of these are 125. Very strange. Very strange. What the fuck? In this river, hello, how you doing? Oh, speaking of classic GitHub actions, particularly Pythonic, we ran into this exceedingly rare error at work, where a process would start sometimes, and it would have a file descriptor open to a file path that's owned by root, but like 1 in 10,000, like some crazy small number. And the reason our code notice is it tries to figure out if people leak files between tests. So it scoops up all of the current file descriptors and asks what they are, and then compares it after the test runs. See if people open files and leave them open. Basically, there's this random, like, I mean, not random, a haphazard file that is usually the cryptography store for .NET. And it was just an open file descriptor in the PyTest process, which I thought that the way processes worked was that they don't inherit file descriptors. But I guess I'm wrong, or maybe I'm like tainted by how Python does it, because I know Python's subprocess does a whole bunch of fiddly bullshit to close file descriptors before starting a subprocess, unless you do like close fds equals false or some garbage around there. But basically, I'm guessing is there's some race condition in a background thread in the .NET agent that runs on the GitHub Actions host that sometimes has the file descriptor open for their cryptography store, and sometimes it leaks into the child process. I wonder if there's like a security problem there. Like, I wonder what that file gets used for. Because like if it's some like crypto store for the root process that's used for signing or whatever, and then suddenly your random unprivileged thing can read the contents because it has the open file descriptor already. Up Dog Day, indeed. S1 Cube, thank you for the resub at 46 months. It's great to see you again. I hope you're doing well. I appreciate you stopping by. And yeah, I mean, GitHub seems to be doing its thing now, so neat. Gonna get some bounty money? Probably not. It would be nice though. The other server said we had to rewrite our complete database structure of an API to represent new relations. Huge change set. I had to change literally nothing in the API test. Kind of proud of past me. Nice! Means you had some well-factored tests there. Avoiding implementation detail, which it's pretty nice. Great that you're able to do that. Okay, next is fucking dependabot garbage. I'm pretty sure that I just need to... So I think I tried to generate these, right? Did I click the button? Cannot update. Yeah, so we gotta do the ye old RM package lock garbage as usual. GitHub.com pre-commit.ci / upload artifact CLI. Yes. And then what? RM package lock.json and then npm I, and that should regenerate it. This is the stupidest fucking workflow ever. What is this dumbass language? Wait, it went from 3 vulnerabilities to 7. No. Also, I like how it renamed WAT to this, so something has gotten fixed. But why are there... literally just this thing. npm audit fix. On Nightly! Thank you for the resub at 17 months. It's good to see you again. It's been a bit. Philek, when was the last time you were here? It's been, oh my god, it's been like 3 months. Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Charlie Papaya is also here. It's also been a while for you. How you doing? Welcome back. 1.1.2 is a breaking change. The fuck you mean it's a breaking change? Oh, we were at 2.1? Wait, it's gonna downgrade it? That's not what we want. What if we do this? npm audit fix. Nothing. npm audit fix force. It downgraded it. What the hell? What is this fucking bullshit? Why would it downgrade it? That makes no goddamn sense. That's so stupid. Old is new again, yeah. Yeah. What the fuck? Who? Oh. Because obviously downgrading it will fix the vulnerability. Obviously. That's so stupid. It's so fucking stupid. There's zero chance that a downgraded version is not vulnerable. What a dumbass command. Old is save, new is not. Yeah. Yeah, that seems we're gonna do this. It's gonna make it worse, right? Regenerate package lock.json. This is exactly why I will never write a GitHub action in JavaScript. Because you just deal with this fucking bullshit over and over and over and over. 87 additions, 284 deletions makes me also a little bit nervous, but maybe it's because of their dependencies. Yeah, it's probably like they depend on something that cannot ever be downgraded or upgraded, and like the solver was like, aha, I know the version that's not vulnerable. It's the one that's not supported. Anything capturing shiny bugs? Yeah. All the people are showing up as true, useless pony. I haven't streamed on a Monday in a while, so that's probably why. Probably why we're getting everybody. Unknowingly says, was busy with new internal product we were building for work. Launch day. Nice. Congrats. Assuming it went well. Alright. Test pass, so fuck it, we'll merge it. But I'm sure that the 3 failing is now going to be 7, right? Merge says, I forgot you were streaming. I've been alt-tabbed and no sound ever came through the tab. Oh, I was paused. Hello. Hello, Marsha. How you doing? How's your Monday? That's right. I know what part of the planet you're in. I can say the day of the week. Reopen. Are you still? Earliest fixed version is 8.4.1. So what is this? octokit/request. Package lock. octokit/request. Not you. Wait, what is this shit? Oh. It's nested. Right. Fucking nested shit. Wait, no? What? Yeah. This is still fucked. What the hell? So this thing is vulnerable, I guess. There's npm tree, yeah, but it's sort of useless, isn't it? Granity, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. 222 was published 11 days ago. And we are on 2.1.11. Why is this not upgrading? npm upgrade. Is this gonna fix our problem? Added 143 package, remove 2 packages, change 1 packages. That did nothing. Literally did nothing. npm, what the fuck is the command? Why is it not picking the latest version? That's what I want to know. Isn't carrot versioning like just fuck it, give me the latest? Oh, it is. It is giving me the latest. Give me 222. Fuck me. Where is the code for this? So surely you have a bunch of dependent bots that you're just not fucking dealing with, right? Parity. That's their thingies. Yeah, here we go. Yep. That sounds like a terrible idea. Yeah, just break the internal package. Surely nothing will go wrong, right? Oh, there's a bug in npm? Oh my god. God damn it. Alright, well, we're gonna ignore that then. Fixed. Smile. npm upgrade doesn't upgrade dependencies. Sounds about right. Not sure we can add octokit. I mean, I could set a resolution, but that would break. Like it would violate what everything is asking for particular versions, and I have no knowledge about how their internals work to know whether that's safe or not. So I'm just gonna be like, well, not my fucking problem. I'll deal with it later. Update roost to 85 and roost up to 28. No one else wants this, I guess. Yeah. But why? But why? Then don't fucking do it. God damn it. There's no need. Don't bother. Whatever. Fuck, we ball Abraham Lincoln or something? Hey, what's up, Blamey? It's also been a bit. It's good to see you again, too. Yeah, when were the last time you were here? Months ago. Ayo. How you doing? Hello, hello. It was their liberty, okay? I mean, but why? But for why? Hope you guys are doing well. Yeah, I'm doing alright. I'm doing alright. That's what I tell myself every day. I want to tell them not to do this, but I also don't give a fuck, so whatever. Then I gotta deploy this. Blah. we'll sit here and wait until it updates on that, and then we will deploy that, and then it will be good. Care about whether that succeeds. Alright, you want to see me being petty? Sorry, just wanted to bump again. I said, don't do this. I'll get to it when I get to it. This isn't urgent. And then I was like, nope, I'm not going to merge this even though I've already opened this tab. Even though I've already opened this tab and I've already reviewed the code. I was like, nope. You wait now. That's what you get for pinging me. You wait now. But we'll let them out of their purgatory now. I don't know why people are like, merge it now, bah, why I must wait? Like, bro, who gives a shit? It'll merge when it merges. Like, anyway. That one is a big patch that I will look at later. I don't want to look at it now. And so we get to the star of the show, the thing that we did last time, but we're gonna do it better this time. Getting rid of you because you weren't the problem. Pre-commit.ci. Okay, so what we did last time. Well, there I go with Dash's prune again. Runner. Why did I change CI config? Oh, I remember. Get along, we can just do this, and then I get show. Oh, I can do this too. We get show this. Okay, so we added a warning. We added a special exception type. And we hard-coded some install IDs. So, how do make this fixed? Yeah, I think I want to configure this option somewhere. And so I opened up our tables, and I think that it actually makes sense to configure it in the plan because it is only paid options. And I don't think I'm gonna make any options for non-paid plans that are outside of the config. But if I ever change my mind, then this decision I'm making now sucks. So if I want to be forward thinking, I would add this configuration to the install. The problem with the install is, goddamn, there are so many orgs. Holy fuck. I haven't looked at this number in a while. There's 4,500 unique GitHub slugs that have set up pre-commit.ci. That's a big number. God damn. The problem with the installs table is it's a little chunky. I mean, this is small, but actually, why is this? I thought this would be bigger than that. 600 bytes is not that much. I thought this had a full list of. Look at a table. Oh, this is a literal empty. Also, why does the install have the plan type on it? That's seems weird. Let's figure that out. I thought the plans table replaced that, but maybe I just never cleaned up the data. Git branch, git pull, if only. After explanation last week, I set up pre-commit.ci in like 3 repos. Nice, that's good to hear. I appreciate that. Web blueprints, GitHub, subscription, marketplace. Yeah. That plan. That plan. Web. Plan. That plan. Yeah. So I don't know why plan is on the install. This is probably before I changed how it worked. This doesn't have all of the data. Oh, here it is. Yeah, so probably at some point, log-g plan in here. Remove access of install.plan. Don't error on purchase before install. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, so plan used to be here. I didn't backfill the data. That makes sense. Also, 0 items are matched plan purchase before install. Yeah. But then we just got rid of that entire failure mode and made a separate plans table. And that actually helped. Oh, allow running private runs. Okay, so literally 4 years ago, we did that. Okay, that makes sense. So that column doesn't exist. I guess the number of bytes is not that small because, oh, this looks like it has. Look at this item. We're gonna edit, but not actually. Yeah, so it can be kind of bulky. So yeah, so I don't really want to add settings to this data structure, but I think plans probably makes a lot more sense. So if I do that, I need to give read access to the runner. Where does that live? Roll runner, no. ASG runner. I'm roll runner. Here we go. Run update on runs. Table phones, M statuses. Web. Okay, so it doesn't have access to this table yet. Fine. Let's give it access. Dynamo. It's weird that I put S3 like right in the middle here. What did I order these by? I don't know why I ordered these the way I did. But like we'll just put our new one right here. Statements. Actions equals DynamoDB get item. What happens if I just do this? What is it gonna do? Well, that one up there does the trailing comma, so fuck it. Resources equals areas DynamoDB table dot plans dot arn. That gets a shit little reformatter, right? Yeah, there we go. I thought you said get victim? Yes. I mean, we have, you remember. We have a whole class called victims in here. My upgrade token helpers. Victims. Yes. Roboto says I didn't know pre-commit.ci makes money. It does make money. I am yeah. I'm a profitable startup founder. I'm a profitable startup founder. Yeah, look at me. I'm a prophet. Yeah, exactly. Foggy says, I hear you already practicing being the. I don't know what that is. What is that? What is that? This seems. What this is? Oh my god, what the fuck? All of the search results are in Russian, so I don't fucking know what this is. Can you explain it to me, Foggy? Because I don't understand. Is it like a territory or something? I don't know. Oh, it's a state or territory? Got it. Yeah. Okay, anyway. Hopefully this doesn't make the policy document too large. Is your joke on the Russian accent while you're writing code? Yeah. In Soviet Russia, code right to you. Well, I mean, that's basically what we get with ChatGPT, right? Right, let's see. Runner can read plans. Get that shoe? Allow runner to read plans table. Well, let me make sure that this actually makes sense. Polymathic Man says someday I'll get back to Python. Too much Ruby. Yes. pre-commit.ci web. I mean, Ruby's basically Python but different. Web data plants. Okay, so what happens here? Put item. So I guess if they cancel and renew their plan, delete and recreate their plan, all their settings will get wiped. It's probably fine. That's probably fine. They deserve it if they did that. I think I just reconfigure it. Standard pointer size, fuck it, it's probably fine. I agree. I agree. Their plan settings are attached to their plan. That seems reasonable to me. And we write, it's true, it's true. We do. But I'm all out of wine, which is sad potato. How's it going? It's going alright. It's going alright, all that amount of wine. So I'm gonna go get some more. Yeah. Okay, I like this idea. I am going to... What am I going to do? I'm going to push this and kick off Terraform and get some more wine. We're getting white girl wasted today. Well, probably not wasted, but white girl slippery. White girl that was not what I wanted to say. What the fuck? What is the word? Buzzed. I don't know why I said slippery. That's so much funnier though. Oh fuck, I love that. I love that so much. I'm slippery like a frog. Yeah. All right, I'll be right back. I'll see you in a sec. Don't get too slippery while I'm gone. Hello. Hey, Beck. Oh, I should show you the wine that I got. It's French. Oui, I don't fucking know. The story behind this is my... I don't know how I'm related to them. Great aunt? Something like that? Bought got as a gift a advent calendar of wine. But she does not like red wine. So she had half of an advent calendar of wine that she just did not consume. She's like, I don't like red wine. Personal preference. You don't like red wine? That's fine. Ooh, this is it's a fruity red wine. Interesting on the bottle? No. Contains sulfites. Oh no! Post wine dead. Anyway, cheers, chat. White girl slippery. What a good phrase. Anyway. Yeah, pretty good. Pretty good. 0 to add, 2 to change. Let's see what it looks like. Right. I'm not logged in. Right. We figured this out before. Right. No, not AWS. Terraform. Password. But how's your week going so far, chat? I realize it's not a very long week so far, but how was your weekend? That's probably a better question. Do anything cool? Not found. Try and log into that one. Okay, it's working now. Anyway. Oh yeah, blow away my security group. Cool. And redo that. That's... Ah! Why did it kill my window? Anyway. And prod. Just be 1 to update. Why are you not giving me title text? Hello? Where's my title text? One to change. I don't know why there's no title text. Weird. Maybe it's the new thing that they broke. Anyway, this seems fine. Let's merge. And so I guess we can do the front end portion of this first. Oh, we're gonna have to get into permissions. I feel like I already have permissions though. Did I do that already? Web, blueprints, repo. I feel like repo did. With this thing. GitHub API can access repo. What are you? What are you? Are you appropriate? Web, GitHub API. Can access repo. API get repo ID is not none. That doesn't seem quite right. I thought there was some like admin owner or something or another. Test admins can view anything. Yeah. Yeah. What are you? Gate repo. Username in admin. So this is just for being able, admin user can view anything. Or the repo ID is in the private repos that can access. Okay, so the way I've currently gated access to this is just by can they access the repo, which seems okay, I guess. Maya Rayner, thank you for the raid. Welcome, raiders. How you all doing today? Let me make sure I did the right shout out command. Lily and Ruby Rose, welcome to the stream. Hello, hello. How you doing? How is your stream? What were you working on? For those joining, my name is Anthony. I usually work on open source Python stuff. Today we are working on one of my babies, pre-commit.ci, which is a CI startup to, well, developers spend a fair chunk of their time during development flow on fixing relatively trivial problems in their code. Pre-commit.ci both enforces that these issues are discovered, which is opt-in for each developer's workflow via pre-commit, which is the open source tool that I made. But it also fixes the issues automatically, letting developers focus their time on more valuable problems. Working on a Vue to Next migration. Oh, migrations. Migrations are one of my specialties. That's basically what I do for work. I work on, I lead the developer infrastructure team at Sentry, and basically every other company I've worked at, I specialize in improving things over time, which is just migrations. That's really cool. Why did you decide to migrate? What was, I mean, I've been pretty fairly removed from front end space for a long time, as you can probably tell from my my shitty bootstrap website. But what was your motivation for migrating? What was your what are you looking to get out of Next? I know a little bit about Vue. Lily and Ruby Rose says that's neat. I've been using pre-commit a lot recently. Small small world. Because I made it. Ta-da. Maya says it's a work project, so it's not my decision per se, but we're migrating because Next/React is better for AI and generally has better TypeScript support. I mean, the good TypeScript support sounds good to me. Man, types are great. I'm currently trying to push types at Sentry, and it has been a Sentry is where I work. It has been a bit of a slog. Hello? GitHub. Hey, there we go. It's been a bit of a slog, but I've been slowly improving typing over time. But we still have 100 files that are ignored. But also a lot of files that are stronger than ignored. So, but I like types. Types are good. I will fight people for types. Which has happened at work several times, but Ignis Wiz says, have you ever used selective test runners anywhere? Any experience with them? So I assume you're referring to the idea of determining which tests are run based on what code has changed. And my opinion on this subject is that unless you are working in a very static language, or you have fully annotated your code base using a tool like Bazel or some other sandbox building isolation technology, that selective test execution is basically an unfixable problem. If you're in a dynamic language, all bets are basically off unless your test runner is completely isolating your code. And having done a Bazel migration on a very large Python code base, that shit's fucking impossible too. Like the whole point of Bazel is like, the idea of Bazel is you describe to the build system what your dependency tree looks like. So you basically say like, oh, I import this module. Okay, now I got to go to Bazel and say this module depends on this module, etc. And so even if you do all of that work, which is a shit ton of work, because describing your dependencies when it can't just be like, oh yeah, this imports this file, obviously it depends on it. You have to regurgitate that same thing into the Bazel metadata. Even if you do all of that work, you'll find almost immediately that you have lots of these modules in your code base that pull in fucking everything else. Especially if you're working in like Django or like, any sort of framework. Django is great because it is terrible. And if you pull in any model in Django, you have to pull in the whole fucking code base. Almost always. Oh, you're trying to do it in Ruby too. Ruby, yeah, Ruby has the same problem. Like, you generally like most of like Rails. Rails is designed around everything being available always, all the time, and so your centralized Rails model store is going to get dependent on a bunch of stuff. And even if you did Bazel properly there, like even if you've isolated all your dependencies, you've spec'd out all of their transitive dependencies, blah 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 blah. You modify one file, and if it happens to be in that critical path, guess what? You're still running every single test. So you could do this like year-long project of Bazelifying stuff just to lose everything. But I don't know. The idea in theory sounds good. If you have a statically typed language, you can probably make it happen. You can probably build something that makes it work. I've never seen it work in a dynamic language good enough. But Ruby/sorbet is also calendar years and engineer hours decades behind MyPy et al. This is 100% true. And my favorite thing to point at, let's see if I can find it. Sorbet is a typed Ruby that was created by Stripe, and I seem to remember. Oh, let me see if I can find it, because my friend's Discord. He sent me the link to this. Fuck. Missed that. Anyway, I will just tell you because I can't find the link right now. But there is a chunk of code inside Sorbet that is basically, if class name equals this other class name, then treat the type as any. And it is literally a backdoor so that the Stripe code base type checks properly. It's just fucking. But Ignis Wiz, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Django depends on Django depends on Django depends on Django. That's true, Wolfred. That is 100% true. Entor says one of the best additions of Python. I love types. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Controversial opinion, but hell yeah. Doesn't et al refer to people and etc refer to things? I don't know. I'm not Latined the verb now. I don't know. I don't know the answer to that. Wilfred, go back to work, says Tops on Twitch. You're doing work? Wilfred, aren't you in... well, I guess if you're in Pacific time. But I thought you were... Are you in Pacific time, Wilfred? I thought you were in Mountain or some weird time zone. You're in Eastern. Then what the fuck are you doing? My guy, it's 7:30. Stop working. What are you doing? But anyway, I don't remember where it is. But somewhere in here, there's like an if statement about Stripe's web controller that's like, yeah, no, just trust. Unless they fixed it, but like, there's no way they fixed it. You're totally working? I'm working on my passion project startup. That barely counts. That barely counts. So am I. Okay, that's fair then. Okay, all right. You're not working for the man? Then live your best life. If you're not working for the man, make it happen. But if you're working for the man, absolutely fucking not. You gotta close that tab. I haven't worked for the man since Instagram. Damn, must be nice. Must be nice. I work for the man 40, well, probably more likely like 30 hours a week, but shh. But what I do in 30 hours, someone else would do in 60 or 80, so yeah. All right, what does the UI even fucking look like? We're like Insta man. What is that supposed to mean? I work for the man, but y'all are my office mates. Hey, there you go. We're your coworker in the background. Okay. Marsha, you know exactly why you got bonked here. You know exactly why you got bonked by saying Insta man. Okay, so this is the page that I want to add a button to somewhere. Probably. Somehow. It wasn't lewd, it was just dumb? Oh. Okay, well then I need to get bonked because I just assumed it was lewd. Like the whole what's the suddenly man? There you go. Why is Tops getting bonked? What? Some people are catching strays here. Okay, so we already have this link here. I think we will also add a like manage org settings here. And then I'll take it to another view. You're unbonkable. I don't know that that works that way. Bonk count? Is that the command? No, shit. What's the command? Bot plugins. Where does it live? Probably here. Bonked. Bonked rank, I think is the command. Bonked rank. Hobbs on Twitch. I say recently. You're ranked 23 and you've been bonked one time. Wolford says make them change this picture. Yeah, I'm a little chubby in this picture. This one's kind of funny though. I don't really like these pictures. This one I like. This one's fine. This one's okay too. Legs for days. Look at these tree trunks. Oh, this is about Twitch. Wow. Oh. When I started, I would spend 90% of the stream actually coding and 10% with the community interacting. Now it's shifted more towards community interaction. The joke is that if you write 10 lines of code in an hour, you're doing really well. Fuck, it's more like 10 lines of code per stream. That one makes you look like a toddler waiting for the doctor. Yeah. Yeah. We've ruined that for you? Yeah, it's fine, it's fine. Neko Man, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Okay, so somehow we need to do a thing. Show edit is this. Show edit. Install ID is in GitHub install IDs, and it's an ARC account or this. We probably also want a show settings. Oh, that's a cute emote, Neko Man. Hello, hello. That's a cute emote. Okay, so we probably need to make a new view. Web blueprints org settings.py. What's our shortest one? I'm gonna copy some other one. Login, install, index, badge. Ooh, repo would be a good one, but that one has a bunch of other shit. We're gonna copy run web blueprints run to web blueprints org settings .py. Org settings. Okay. This is an interesting one because it's actually not based on the integer values, based on the It's based on the name. So org settings, service, and then count. We have counts. And I need to figure out the rest of this, right? Where's the web permissions? Ooh, but this is different. When I see inbox by me. The legs for days, Wilfred. Is this what you're looking for? Be careful not to show my feet, or Marshall will get too excited. Are you on streaming your draws? No, I got shorts on. I got basketball shorts on. See, here's my basketball shorts. And I got my All-American Rejects shirt on. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Interesting pose. I wanted to be careful. I'm gonna be careful. Do you want a song chat? We'll give you a song. He poses like a captain, like the Captain Morgan. I don't remember why, but I used to do that all the time. I have a question since it's just us. Yeah, it's just you, Marsha, and me. Spaceberry says lewd. Hello, Spaceberry. Alright, what's your Spaceberry catching a stray? Alright, what's the question, Wilfred? Shoot, buddy. Okay, how this is not what we want. Feel free to unanswer. No, it's fine. Fine, we can do it. But do y'all sleep in clothes? Ooh, this is a good question. That's a good question. My answer is sort of. Sort of. If I've just taken a shower, I will sleep with a shirt on. I don't exactly have a good reason why. And usually when I wake up, I will have taken the shirt off. Just a shirt. I also sleep in my underwear. So, but yeah, I will wear a shirt if I have just taken a shower. And in my sleep, I usually will have taken my shirt off. Like usually I will wake up and my shirt is on the floor. Or sometimes it's hung up, which is that's the sleepwalking. But yeah, I run super hot, and so like I just can't deal. Do a sleepwalking stream? Oh, that would be not safe for Twitch. It'd be a real bad time. I was curious because I sleep with nothing. Hey, there you go. Clothes bother me. Yeah, clothes kind of suck. Rishi, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you are doing well. Oh god, why is my phone freaking out? What phone? It's Hinge. I like to become a little burrito, so I have the air on super low and a big blanket. Hey. See, I have my temperature in my house is pretty cold already, and I don't have very many blankets, but I'm still warm. I'm still warm. Okay, what the fuck do I need for this view? I need to check whether the person can actually access this. And I think I'm gonna use the same logic that this is here. Yeah. Yeah. Org settings. Oh, now the line is too long. You know what? We're gonna rename it to settings. Because what the fuck else would it be for? Also, it's not necessarily an organization. It could be for a user account. Org settings with just settings. Yeah. Take the refrigerator to your room and just leave the door open all night. That would actually make it warmer because refrigerators are not efficient. Exit is here. Hello. Maybe it's 1 a.m. and maybe I have college tomorrow. Who knows? Oh. Wait, are you translating for us? Wouldn't you normally say uni? Isn't the European thing to say university? Or are you actually not in a university? Are you translating or are you being correct? What is the... Are you in college or are you in university, Kexit? That's my question. Install the fridge in the wall so the heat vents outside like an air conditioning. Hey, there you go. Well, you might as well just have an air conditioner at that point. Are you asking if someone is trans? No. I'm asking about... You use university and college interchangeably. Ah, you are truly an American. Maybe that's a British thing. To be like, oh, I'm going to uni. Look, all those people at college. I'm going to uni. I thought uni is when you had to go there and sleep in a dorm and crap. No, like the whole... There's technically like an accreditation and like universities are bitter or whatever, and like a college can just be any sort of organized post high school education, blah blah blah. Or what other universities do is they have colleges that are part of their university. So you can be at a university in a particular college, and so just pedantics all the way down. TJZ Lock, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I guess I'm in a community college. Oh, so you're truly in a college. I see, I see. Fartbag XP says you crap harder if you go to a university because it's more expensive. What? Oh, says Wolfred. Yeah. Wolfred says you couldn't pay me to sleep on a mattress someone else slept on? What? But what if she's really hot, Wolfred? Really? I feel like you gotta make some exceptions there, right? Are you talking about dorms? You're talking about dorms? You're talking about dorms. Okay. I don't sleep at other people's houses? Damn. Actually, now that you mention it, have I ever slept at someone? Oh yeah. There's one time. One time? One time. I guess I slept in dorm rooms too, but like I go home, I love my bed. Hey, there you go. Hotels. Yeah, hotels. I've done hotels. Wolfred, you've never slept in a hotel? Surely you've stayed in a hotel. Surely you've traveled, right? Often colleges without a governing university don't have PhD programs. Username checks out. That's true, particularly Pythonic. I know I don't shit in enemy territory. Whoa, I fucked that sentence. But like, not in my adult life. Wow. In French, we say université to mean both college and university. Oh, interesting. I'm drinking French wine today. Exit. What is this? What does this mean? What do the words mean? Well, focus. Ignore my face. There we go. What does it mean, Kexit? Yes, you can? Oh, what a terrible thing to put on a bottle of wine. Arm is colored. Hello. How you doing? Polymathic Man says, I sleep anywhere there's power for my CPAP. Ah. It says, oui tu peux, dummy. Yeah. What is the what? I don't. What the fuck does that mean? What? Kapar? What is the word? What is the word? Are you asking where it's from? Uh, I have no fucking idea. It doesn't really say where it's from. Oh, it's the grape variety. Dude, I don't fucking stand the ball. It's got a French address on it, but I don't know what the grape is. It's I didn't buy this. I got it for free. So I don't know. How much seepage do you have? God, no. I don't, none. Yeah, I have no idea. No idea the grape variety. Okay, so if sessions is none, we are definitely going to get the fuck out of here. So if sessions is none, then flask.abort 404. We got that out of the way. Sparkling wine? No, it's flat. It's very flat. Yeah, it's pretty rare to have a sparkling red. But drugs? I don't know. I could probably look it up. Probably look it up. Ooh. Put wine. There's no way this is gonna work because that's just a French phrase. This says it's. Oh, I see. You also search the same thing. What the fuck? Ah, piss off. So what's crazy is this is actually the company that organized the advent calendar. But it's definitely not sparkling. unless it's just so old that it's no longer sparkling. I mean, this is the right color. Huh. Maybe it. My fucking god, sure. Like grapefruit flavored sparkling wine. That's not. It's not what this is. That's not what this is at all. Yeah, mine doesn't say the same thing on it, but it is a red blend. What? I think your wine is dead. But like, grapefruit is like a bright pink color. And I fucking hate grapefruit. This is fine. And it doesn't taste like grapefruit. Well, I don't fucking know. The crazy thing is this is the right company. But I don't think this is the right. Yeah, this is not the right thing. Hepta5, hello, how you doing? Which is weird. Let's see if there's a URL in here. Yeah, oh, there's a QR code. Do I want to scan a QR code? It's a risky scan, right? Grapefruit is absolutely disgusting. It needs like a pound of sugar to be edible. Yeah, I don't like grapefruit. Sorry. Had to. If you know, you know. What was that? Do you not know, Wolfred? Surely you know. Wants to use your device location? Absolutely fucking not. Oh, it's literally just their domain name. Huh. Weird. Maybe grapefruit is a bad translation. Oh, could be. It could be. The thing is, I'm pretty sure it's from. Oh, I already clicked that one. I'm pretty sure it's from this, but we're gonna have to click through every fucking one because this website sucks. Ugh, kill me! And watch, we're gonna get through all of them and not find the same label. I hate you, you stupid fucking website. Why would you do this to me? God fucking damn it. And I'm gonna skip one too. That's gonna be the worst part. Whoa, you can click here and go back. Oh, hell yeah. Made it so much easier. Nope. Still not there. Oh my god, is it gonna be the last one or is it just not gonna be in here? They fucking changed the lineup, haven't they? God damn it. Okay, well, who fucking knows? 23? Wait, you said 23? 23? Yeah, no, this is something different. This is something different. Drugs. Drugs! Up to 5 says Caitlyn dating V or JC in Arcane Legend? I don't know what the fuck you're talking about. I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, no, that's not what it was, Hep to 5. That's not what it was. I'll just okay. I'll tell you what it is. Oh, you're trolling. Okay. Go to YouTube. I don't know how you haven't seen this video yet, to be honest. Go to YouTube and search grapefruit method. And I'll just let you watch the video. I think my interpretation of the sound was fairly accurate. But I will let you figure it out yourself. Wuming Fang, thank you for the follow. Welcome. I hope you're doing well. Polymatic says, dude, you owe me a new keyboard? What? How to achieve the grapefruit method? If you know what it is, like, oh god, do I tell chat this? I will just tell you it's not actually enjoyable. That's all you need to know. The grapefruit method is terrible. It is a terrible idea, and it is not good. It does not feel good. I shall return in 6 minutes. There's no way you need all 6 minutes of the video to completely understand what's going on. Yeah, it's not good. From first-hand experience, it is not good. Exactly, Polymathic Man. Not good. That shit fucking hurts. Is not good. Absolutely fucking not. Never again. But you know, anything once, right? Anything once. You can just Google it while you're watching a video, because the video is where you get the sound from. Oh shit, we have gone completely off the rails today. Okay. Anyway, did you try it or have it tried on you? I knew better without experiencing it. Oh, I knew it was going to be terrible. It's a League of Legends video? No, it's not. No, it's not. Yes, it was performed upon me, Polymathic Man, and it was not good. It's not good. It shit fucking stings. Wait, do you think YouTube would have it? Really? I feel like I have watched this video on YouTube. Here, I will find it for you in a private tab. Wow. Wow, logged out YouTube is crazy. What the fuck? This is like borderline porn. God damn. I'm not showing this on stream. I'm gonna get banned. Wait, is it not on YouTube anymore? No. There's a bunch of these that are blurred. Hold please. I think I gotta find you. This is gonna be like, oh, please log in. Oh, yeah, it's gotta be this one. Are there only edits of this video? Huh. Can the grapefruit be substituted with papaya? No, I don't think so. I don't think that's how it works. The problem is I can't watch this video without logging in, and if I log in, it's absolutely gonna fuck my recommendations. Damn, I guess I just have to describe this to you. Oh, we got in here. Oops, all Mars. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. You Googled it. Okay, you Googled it. With Tiffany Haddish and Queen Latifah? I don't think so. I'm pretty sure the original version of this was just some nobody that was like this is how you make your mans. Oh, you sent me on Dixword. Exit. Do you have a link? My homepage when logged out? That's crazy, because I have just... Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's because I'm using Firefox, and it's literally just a bunch of videos titled Big Fails and, like, giant butts. That's my logged out YouTube. That's my logged out private tab YouTube, which is crazy. Wilfred says I have questions. Okay, anyway, the grapefruit method YouTube video is this woman describing her fellatio technique, where her secret technique is to core out a grapefruit and slot the phallus through the grapefruit and utilize it as a lubricant and freshener. And the actual video involves her performing it on, I don't remember what, like a cob of corn or like a banana or something. And the end of the video is just this like sound as this woman performs fellatio on an inanimate object with a grapefruit around it, and describing the like twisting technique that she uses. And that is the grapefruit method. I don't know how we've gotten here and why I'm what's her ad. The crazy thing is this is like a decades old YouTube video. And I'm like so surprised that you have never heard of this, Wilfred. But now you too can have your mind poisoned by the grapefruit method, and tell all your friends. Borang, hello, how you doing? Welcome. Bonk everyone. Yes, exactly. I'm using Firefox Derivative Zen, and it doesn't show anything other than search strange. That's really weird then. That's really weird. Oh, you know what? I wonder, so it's not a brand new fresh tab because I have opened up this playlist in the same private session, and so maybe people that watch this just want to see big butts. Drugs? Hepta5 says Anthony is my favorite Hispanic streamer. Look at him drinking his sangria. If this were sangria, it would probably be a little bit better. But anyway, continuing to write code. All right, no session, we abort. Account. Oh, that's the other problem is like install repo. Oh, we have install ID. Wait, we have not install ID. We have account. Oh, but I bet we have account ID in here. Yeah. But I prefer ands. But Wilfred says oh. Have you now understood the sound that I made? Was I accurate in depicting the sound, Wilfred? That's all I want to know. My comedy career depends on No, there's no way I have a comedy career. I'm not that funny. Yes, you were accurate. Thank God. My distant memory of the grapefruit method has not faded. Praise the sun. I tried opening a random video and opening YouTube in another tab, but no homepage recommendations. Weird. Okay, what happens? What happens if you open a private window, open this playlist, and then open the homepage? Actually, we can try it in Chrome. In Chrome, we open a new tab. We open up this playlist. We scroll down to something. We start it. We don't actually play it. And then we go to the homepage. Well, given what it showed in Firefox, that risk. Go to the homepage. Yeah, I go to the homepage. And Jesus Christ. Yep. It's an ass. Yeah. Does that work for you? Did that work? You found her at? Hey, there you go. Roy Hay says, can you show me what platform to code as a beginner? Big fails? See, boring. You ended up in the same place I did. Okay, it's not just me. What do you mean by that platform, Roy Hay? Roy Hay? I feel like programming, especially if you're starting. Actually, I have a video for this. Planes. Getting started with programming. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Oh my god, you did find her. her ad is grapefruit lady. Oh, that's funny. At least she's leaning into it. Seen by over 500 million people around the world. Sexpert and creator of the grapefruit technique. God damn. Oh, that's good. I love that. I love that. I slid into the DMs for more information. Woo! She was the Hawk Tuah girl before school. True? True? I'm sure she contributed to millions of burning penises. And that is her legacy. That's her legacy. So, yeah. And a part of me wonders why I agreed to this. Okay, but I think we can use, yeah, so it's kind of funny that we have the service here and then we just don't. Because I haven't, yeah. Did I try it? Yes. Yeah. I did. It happened. It was not enjoyable by any stretch of the imagination. It was terrible. I would not regret. Did I suggest? I did not suggest. Listen, I had this bad tendency of having partners who were like, hey, I read this thing online, or hey, I read this thing in Cosmopolitan, or hey, I saw this thing on YouTube. And I was like, fuck it, why not? You know, anything once. Exactly, Wilfred. Anything once. Another one that I distinctly remember is there was this oh shit. There is this Cosmo article, which is like top 10 sensual things you can try on your man. And almost all of them were shit. Almost all of them. But the one I remember the most is how did it describe it? As oh no, Wolfie, you have come at the worst time. Hello, Raiders. How are you doing today? Oh, you have picked the worst time to come into the stream. Hi Raiders, how y'all doing today? My name is Anthony. I usually work on open source Python. Today we're working on pre-commit.ci, which is my CI startup based around my open source linting and code formatting framework. And right now we are talking about terrible things that Cosmopolitan has suggested. And we'll just get it out of the way. We'll get it out of the way. We're getting it out of the way. Arm is colored. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Slime Molder, how you doing? What if cats and dogs had opposable thumbs day raid? Ayo. Were you working on, what were you working on? What are you working on? What did he mean by this? Okay, so Cosmo is this like terrible magazine for teen girls that usually has a section that's like sex tips. Okay. Yeah, the original context of this is somehow we were talking about the grapefruit method. And if you don't know that, I will let you search it because I'm not going to describe it again. I just did that. Was learning to make a 2D platform in Godot. Oh, that's cool. I'm glad that I know that it's pronounced Godot. My company recently added support for Godot. The company I work for, not my company, recently added support for Godot, and they went through an entire pronunciation or an entire presentation pronouncing Godot incorrectly. And I'm just sitting there like, oh no. Our marketing people did literally zero research on what Godot is. They're just continually saying go dot, go dot, go dot. I'm like, oh no. Oh no, anyone who knows anything about this thing is like, you fucking idiots. Why are you selling Godot? But hey, that's the way things go. Okay, but the story, finishing the story that I'm so sorry that you've raided into is things that my previous partners have read in these terrible things such as Cosmopolitan, and my mentality about most of the stuff is, you know, fuck it, anything once. But the worst one, I mean, the grapefruit method was pretty bad. But the worst one is Cosmopolitan was like, what is the term? Anyway, the motion is basically a dice shuffle. A dice shuffle. Like you have two dice in your hands and you are shuffling them. Was this suggested motion from Cosmopolitan. And let me tell you, Clank is not good. There is a reason. There is a very good reason that one testicle is lower than the other, because they are not intended to clank. And this motion is pure clank. And it does not feel good. It fucking hurts. It is not a desirable thing. But that's what Cosmo fucking suggested, so that's what happened. Ugh. Anyway, back to our regularly scheduled program. I wanted to see if account name is in our session installs, and it looks like it is, so that's good. Kegsit says I really wanted to get that double six. Double six. What? Intro to CBT? I don't know what that acronym is. We're gonna look it up. Cognitive behavioral therapy. That the CBT you're talking about? A range of effective treatment for a range of problems, including depression, anxiety disorders, alcohol and drug use problems, marital problems, eating disorders, and severe mental illness. Shit, sounds like what I need, right? Oh, double sixes on the dice. Oh. Ayo. Ayo, okay, I understand. I get it now. Norris, thank you. Oh, cock and ball torture. Okay, the not safe for work version. Okay, that makes more sense now. Yeah, computer-based training. Yeah. Rooster and sport equipment waterboarding. Yeah. We'll just. It's not my jam. It's not my jam. I'll be the first to say it. Okay. Sessions has a session install. We have account name, which is great, which means that we can do this logic here. Yeah, so how do we do this? For install in sessions, I'm just gonna write it as a for loop and then adjust it later. Sessions.github installs. If install.count account name is equal to account and what? We only want to show this for this particular case here. And the account type is an organization or this. Yeah. Yeah, so install that account name is equal to account and install that account type is equal to organization or sessions.github is not none and sessions.github.user. What are you? Username is equal to account. I think that's what we want, perhaps. It's still Python, yeah. Wilfred says, I'm not gonna lie, this looks super simple compared to Django. Yeah. Yeah, if this were work, someone would have made like a fucking DRF serializer permission view fucking something or another, and I'd be yelling and screaming because it would be terrible. But this seems about right. So we search through every GitHub install. We find one that matches the account that's being looked up here. And if the account type is an organization, or we are logged into GitHub and we are currently logged in as exactly the account that's being set up. We also need to validate that there is a plan for this as well. I might switch my DRF back into this. Dude, I'm not so subtly trying to get rid of DRF at work, but I kind of have to type it all first. It's very weird because only half of our backend uses DRF. And does some fucking crazy shit. Switch to what? Just not using DRF. Just vanilla Django. Because it turns out that we re-implement all of DRF in middleware anyway. Like the only thing that we actually get from DRF is like the auto weird JSON response serialization stuff and our permissions classes. But we also just run the permissions classes in a middleware. So it's like we do the work twice, then throw it away, then let DRF do it a third time. And it's like, I don't really get why. JSON response? I don't know enough to say yes or no, but probably. Kexit says, today is a super cool feature of OCaml called GATS. And every day I wonder if I will come back to Python. What is this GOT garbage that you're doing in OCaml? Not necessarily saying it's garbage, but generalized algebraic data types. Okay. Cool. It's interesting seeing Sentry still in Django. There's no way. There's no way we could ever get off Django. There's absolutely no way we could get off Django. There's zero shot we could get off Django. There's no shot we could get off Django. And Sentry's codebase actually isn't that big. It's only 6,000 files, 6,500 files, with half of it being tests. It's probably like, or probably a third of it being tests. So it's probably like 4,000 files. There's no shot. There's no shot. More likely is some sort of decomposition to take particular endpoints and moving them to services, and like those services could be written in whatever other language. What's the problem? It's just it's so embedded in how Django sets things up that like a migration off would be a catastrophic amount of work that would never complete. It's more likely that it all gets split up into services, microservices, or Literally rely on Django. Yeah, we do a lot of crazy shit to Django internals that just like doesn't translate to any other framework. It was really annoying. Because the type checker doesn't understand most of the fuckery that we do. Like the root of the problem is we have a custom Django manager, which also has a custom query set. And every single one of our models has that custom manager and query set. And then we have some models that have we have a bunch of models that have different custom managers, which is I've mostly solved that problem. I've mostly gotten that working. But then we have one model that has a custom query set and a custom manager, and the type checker is like, I don't fucking know what you're doing. That shit makes no sense. Attribute error, as it should, because it's weird. It's weird, crazy like Django bullshit, and we don't do it in the way that Django recommends either. So it's like we found some weird backdoor setup into, and it's all for like two fucking functions that someone could have just written as a pure function. And I probably will at some point. I'll probably just get fed up with like, fuck this noise. You are now a function. You don't need to be a magical method on this model. But then I gotta refactor all the shit depending on it. That's like... Okay, I can show you the class I'm even talking about. Sentry. Gross. Source Sentry. Also, someone needs to tell people to stop making more fucking top level modules. What's going on? Why are they doing that? Not to mention secondary level modules, which there's a shit ton here too. Models. Oh, I thought it was release, but there's a releases folder. Why is there a release.py and a releases folder? Hello? Why do they do this? Okay, so release has it has a custom manager, but it also has a custom query set. This is not how Django tells you to do this, by the way. It tells you to take your manager and then construct it using .with query set or whatever. And this query set is in a different file. Ah, that's where it is. It's in a file called util.py, because of course it is. And this query set has this method. This is the only one that gets called anywhere else in the code base. And then there's a bunch of other... Actually, this is not true. There's surely these are called somewhere else. But all of these other methods here could just be functions. They don't need to break the inheritance tree. But also annotate in Django is just kind of cursed. It's kind of cursed. This makes it so it returns an object that looks like the model type, but it also has random fucking fields on it. And you can also use these random fucking fields to do filtering and ordering and stuff. And so that's what this shit does. This is like the worst line of code ever. Yeah. I've seen the models are interesting. Silo. God, our multi-region setup is such a disaster, but it mostly works. But util when it's not common functions that extend the standard lib equals cringe. Dude, util just shouldn't exist. Just don't write models named util. You're asking for trouble at that point. Okay. Not logged in, 404. If they're logged in but they don't have access to this repo, 404. Plan data plans. Get plan. We actually want more than this. We actually want more than this. Where does get plan get used? Get plan. Give them kudos to get a Django to perform that well. Pretty good. Some of our shit doesn't perform well. This is a script. We don't need that. Get plan. This is just checking if it's nullable or not. Fine. Same here. Same there. Okay. So we don't actually care about the value of get plan. We are going to make a name tuple plan stir. How do I want this to work? Plan options, name the tuple. What do I want to call this? Allow missing config bool. Yeah, so actually we can change this to plan or none. Any, sure. Actually really like using self here. Kind of nice. Earnclus plan equals data plan. And then options equals data.get options. Empty the Wiktionary. But we need to make plan options from data. Yeah, we'll do that. The plan from data. Actually, I feel like I have precedence for this somewhere. From dict. Yeah. Yes. Dict stir in the to self plus allow missing config equals dict dot get missing config false. I'll never forget an empty JSON response from dref took 100 milliseconds at Instagram. There's no way that Sentry's beating that. What is the fucking version endpoint? Health? Okay, so this doesn't actually run the this doesn't actually run the Django app. So it doesn't even get to the Django app and it takes 80 milliseconds. There's a version endpoint. Actually runs the app. Old. API endpoint. Kernel. I think it's those ones. Warm up. Yeah, but what is the API endpoint for this? Underscore warm up. What the fuck? Why is that so slow? What is it doing? Is my internet down? Hello? That took forever. What is it doing? Jesus Christ, what the fuck? I guess we don't use this because otherwise it would be warm. Why is it taking 7 seconds to load to literally run the URL resolver for language? Okay, so probably not that important. Jesus Christ. God damn. There's like this one? I mean, we can just try any of these, right? API token details. This is the other thing I hate about Django is like, in order to find the actual URL for what you're looking for, you have all this fucking indirection. Boing! Token details. API token / token ID. One. API tokens. Takes you to the login. God damn it. What's the fucking... There's gotta be like a... There's a rate limit, right? I was in the right place. Line 118. No, that's Sentry Web URLs. That's different. This is the non-DRF stuff. Oh, I was running the DRF stuff, but not. Okay, we'll do crossdomain.xml. Sure. Wait, no, that needs a URL. Client config. That's something I can load. Client config. Nope. Oh, API / client config. Maybe. Client config. There we go. What the fuck is this nonsense? All right, time curl this. This doesn't run DRF though, but still 90 milliseconds. Anyway, I don't think 100 milliseconds for a view is actually that. I don't think Senter's beating that. So. Yeah. Sure. Whatever that is. Okay. Anyway, what was I doing? Nothing to undo. Then why edited? Hello? Redo? Oh. I guess I fucked that up. Oh. Sorry for the tangent. No, it's all good. That's literally the stream is just away. I don't know why I had this open. Okay, we were working on this. Yes. But I typoed this, which means we're off to a great start. We could do this in a different way. A different way. Plan that from the resp. That should work. Solid syntax, of course. Yeah. Okay. That would work. And now we can do plan equals get plan. Service equals service. Count ID. But it's not the ID. What is it, the ID? Is it really the ID? I thought it was the... Well, we change it to an int. And this. That. Account ID, good. Oh, we need the user ID. Right, fixed. So now we need to go here. Product. We only do that if plan is none flask.abort 404. Now what do we do? Now we have the plan. Oh, I mean, we could redirect to login. Yeah, do that up here. If sessions.github is none, return class.redirect login URL. Yep. Okay, so this is always true. Okay, if the install account ID matches the account ID we're looking at, and the type is an organization, or we are logged in as that, then we are allowed to view this page. And we have the plan. And we can probably actually look up the plan first. It doesn't fucking matter. Either order is fine. Wait. I don't think this returns nullable, does it? Get sessions. Where is that? Web sessions. Yeah, this is not a thing. Yeah, we always have a session. Cool. Cool. Alright, we don't have login. We redirect to login. We loop through every install. Yep, we got that. We have plan. Otherwise, 404. Okay. Now we should be able to render the view. Web templates. This is the one we were looking at. It's always going to get this. That makes sense. So we just need to make a similar thing. Settings. Where's the title? Where's the title come from? Did I just never make the title something that you can configure? Weird. LaDevs, thank you for the follow. Or is it LuDevs? Either way, welcome to the stream. I hope you're doing well. Header. should have copied this one. I guess we could look up the install. Yeah, copy this one instead. Ooh. Means we need to have more information here. Defcan Game says, "Chat, I may have made a sin." Uh-oh. What did you mad a sin, Defcan Game? Two sins now. Oh shit. This is this one. I've considered rebuilding one of my sites on Mern. MongoDB, Express, React, and Node. That's what Mern stands for, right? Yes, this is annoying because the catch is I don't know React. I've been a hardcore Django fanboy. Oh boy, you're gonna rude awakening there. Yes, this is interesting because we don't have a good way to look up the install by the account name. We literally ask the GitHub API for it. So rendering the actual install here is tricky. You did mean stack centuries ago. MongoDB, Express, Angular, and Node. Unfortunate. You poor soul. I like how I'm enumerating it one letter at a time. Like, all right, what the fuck does A mean? Oh, right, Angular. Yeah. Angular before and after TypeScript. Oh, at least the TypeScript part's pretty nice. At least it's not Angular JS. That shit fucking sucked. It was so slow. So slow. Oh wait, is install literally just the session install? Or do we need to look up? Oh, we have the session install. We have it here. We actually have a shortcut to this. But what is the install that gets passed in here? Install underscore repos. Install get service install ID. Okay, so we actually have the install ID from here. All right. Yes, we have install ID. Nice. Install equal or session install. This seems wrong. No, it's transitively right because we check the install here. Then we check it here. Okay. I was so happy when it shifted and then ran into bugs, and the debugger was like, "Nah, we ain't helping." I think it's weird how difficult it is to use a debugger in JavaScript. That it's not just like, I know you're just like, oh yeah, you just put debugger semicolon and everything works. But no, you gotta pass some like weird fucking flag to Node, and you gotta, actually be in a situation where you only have one request running at a time. You gotta do all this other fucking bullshit just so that it works. And even then, the like console debugger for Node is ages and ages behind anything else, and so everyone just does print debugging. And every time I try and use it, I'm like, no, why do I have to do this shit again? Why do I have to do this shit again? Okay. Install repos equals install get service session install dot install ID. This should never return none, but if it does, if install repos is none. Flask. Port 404. Should never happen, but possible. Make things easier for developers when working in JavaScript. What is this world you speak of, right? We don't actually care about the repos, so install this equal all repos, and then we can set install equals here, and plan equals plan. And we need to actually render the right view here. Web template settings. We got the install here. I don't know that they can actually unsuspend this, because most of the time that the install gets suspended, it is like a ban message. But we don't have this. We need to make a form, which I need to remember how to do. So we have one here. No. CSRF token, yeah. But your 2504 comes out next month. Yeah, but it's not an LTS, so I'm not going to use it. I only end up using the even 04s because the unstable ones are so short. Live life on the wild side and be unstable. I had so much more fucking work that I have to. Also, I don't build dead snakes for unstable releases. Oh, great. Oh, fuck. 2504 means I'm going to get a bunch of issues that are like, why don't you support? I'm going to look up the code names so at least I know it. Ubuntu code names 2504. It's pretty perfect. What is it? Plucky Puffin. Oh, that's such a good name. Plucky Puffin. Oh my god, the last P was precise. In 2012. Ooh, precise was a pretty good distribution though. I think it was the first one with Python 2.7. Way back when. So long ago. Ubuntu Plucky is such a good name though. But I can already see it. My inbox flooded with, why can't I install Python 3.8 and Plucky? Well, you didn't read the pinned issue. You didn't read the issue template. Happens every time. Happens every time there's a new release. Will we get Python 4 one day? I don't think we will. No one gives a fucky ayo. God. Ubuntu Plucky is a good name. Okay. So we need to make a form. And we need to make it have a destination. Form action equals settings dot update. Service equals service. We're gonna have to get this shit in there too. Account ID equals account ID. I pass those along, I guess. Method equals post. Sure, D inline block MS3. Don't know what the fuck that means. Sure, we'll figure it out later. Input type equals heading. I'm just gonna copy paste this. Cool. And we need a submit button. Button type equals submit. It, I guess. Sounds like a stripper. Plucky Puffin? Yeah. Plucky puns already? I'm just sad that both Yakety and Zesty were not LTS names, so we only got to see them very briefly. Because those were some great Ubuntu code names. Yakety Yak. I don't know what the Zesty one was. Zesty, probably Zebra. What the fuck else starts with a Z? Ubuntu Zesty. Zesty Zappus. What the fuck is a Zappus? Zappus. The mouse. Look at this little mouse. You chilling. Heard Python 4 and ran back to my computer. No, I think it's never gonna happen. Python 3 forever. Breaking changes every minor release. This is the way. I confirm the unstables are unstable. I have an NVIDIA laptop that loves to not sleep no matter what, asking it to sleep or closing the lid. I mean, that's just classic Linux experience at that point. Python 4 equals static types. I think so when people say static types, I think you mean compiler, but I really think that's never gonna happen. Never gonna happen. Pass along the things that I didn't pass along here. Service equals service and account ID equals account ID. That way we can actually get this form working. And we need to make another route. Update method equals post. Update. Stir or response. Yeah, that's. And 4 turns into a JavaScript framework. Oh no. 3.82. Yeah. At least they bumped the version unlike Golang. I don't know what to make a form. How do I form? How do I form? I guess I can look at the admin page. That is a form. But it's really a bunch of checkboxes. The bootstrap forms checkboxes. Yeah. Input class equals this and label. Div class equals form dash check. Wow, that sucks. Wait, what? How do I get back to the fucked up state? Okay, anyway. Update organization, update settings. I feel like there's supposed to be a thing there. Like, what does it look like? Here, look at NVIDIA. Oh, there isn't actually a line here. I just imagine the line because each repo has a box around it. Okay. 1.20 major release, 1.21 major release, 1.22 major release, breaking changes. I mean, that's kind of what Python does with its minor releases too, so it's not that different. It's not that different. I don't think I'm going to finish this today. I think I'm doing too much front end. Flex checked. Ugh. This is like my least favorite part of CSS. Wait, ID? What? Doesn't it have to have a name? Isn't that how forms work? I thought forms were by name, not by ID. Let's see what this one does. Or install ID. Oh, I guess it has to have name and ID. Gross. Gross. I hate that. I hate that so much. Alright. Well, let's copy their fucking checkbox code. Yoink. Yoink. What is this thing? Value equals empty string. What did I call this thing? Data. Allow missing config. Name equals allow missing config. Then can I ternary in here? I don't even know. Jinja ternary. Okay. It's literally just Python ternary. Okay. Wow. Not logged. Why? Who let you post this? Who let you post this? Checked if. Why is it red? Oh, because it's not valid HTML. Checked if plan dots options dot allow missing config else empty string. Yeah, boy. Allow missing config. Allow missing config. Yeah. Kind of curious what this looks like. We need a redirect web blueprints. Here, right? Post. Where's the redirect? We're not gonna actually implement the post part. We'll do that later. Redirect flex.url for settings. And we need service and account ID. Account ID. Yeah. We don't fit on one line, so we'll do it like this. Yeah, we actually need to redo the permissions check here too. Web.data.install import git install. It is too long. Install git because I named it properly. So I don't know why I didn't name the sessions one properly. And get. Why is it git plan? God damn it. Am I that inconsistent? What? What? Why did I do this? Why did I do this? Ask me, what were you doing? $20 and you'll rename it. And it's literally gonna take seconds to rename it. Oh, it's a bet. You're betting, not you're offering to pay me $20 to rename it. I was gonna say. I was gonna say that's a waste of your money because I'll just fucking do it. All right. Add settings view. I'm gonna just deploy this to dev just to see what it looks like. Oh, we need to actually import the blueprint, right? Where does that live? I know it's super manual, super gross, but I haven't found a way that I'm happy enough with. Fuck Ginger 2, is that in this file? It is. Ew. Where does this actually get used? Yeah. App.template test none is none. Fuck Ginger 2. All my homies hate Ginger 2. Should be able to play this to dev. Oh, just log in. Results dev.pre-commit.ci. Well, I was gonna sing Chat a song, and then I didn't sing Chat a song. Did I sing Chat a song? Well, that's a really long password. Incorrect password. God damn it. Really? Must have copied the URL instead of the password. Oh, yeah. GitHub. Okay. What do you mean the tests are failing? Did I really name that one wrong too? Oh my god. If we look in web data, singular, 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 singular. This is supposed to be named that way. Singular. And then what the fuck was I doing with plans? I must have done it on stream. This is very uncharacteristic of me to be that inconsistent. Emma, thank you for the resub at 59 months. No message though. I hope you're doing well. It's good to see you again. Appreciate you stopping by as always. Hey, there's the hello. How you doing? How's your Monday? Wilfred says, Emma, I've been waiting. Get push or head dash F. Oh, we didn't even apply the Terraform stuff. Maybe I should do that before I forgo. Not that useful. Wait, why is it only doing prod? Suspicious. Wilfred says, temporal review is my suggestion. Good. Oh, are you talking to Emma? I can say I don't know. What am I? Where is the fucking? What am I doing? Where's the runs list? Oh, it's over here. Okay. Gardens. Oh, I forgot to actually apply in my other account. Oh well. Oh well. Such is life. Hey, this is green now, so I can do boy dev please. Currently trying to point out why GitLab is not a replacement. That's the eternal struggle, is to explain why GitLab is shit. Okay, so this is the user ID here. So if we go to settings/github/this, yes, this is the way. Internal server error. Hell yes. Hell yes. Anyway, back to my bullshit work on Z standard in Python. Hey, there you go. It's gonna be exciting when it lands. Good. I just want my fucking Teppy key to work. But alas, we got AWS console. CloudWatch logs. Gotta find the fucking stack trace. I sneeze. Probably latest. Error. Cannot access local variable login URL when it's not associated with that. What do you mean? Oh. Just could swoosh down there. I see. So I gotta do this, I guess. Why does that view need the login URL? Oh, I guess it's just always passed along. Cool. I feel like MyPy could help me with this, but I don't have the Warren, whatever the not always assigned thing set up, because I mean, it probably works, but it's definitely buggy for work code because work code does crazy shit. Okay, let's try this again. Did I even apply the Terraform? I feel like I opened it up and then didn't apply it. Plan. Do to change for dev. That seemed right. That was a good net crack. Damn it, GitHub, why are you so slow? Pre-commit.ci has been done for days. Days and days. Wow, this even took quite a long time. 7 seconds. Wow, that's so slow. Why is that so slow? By my bad. Yeah, because this is my biggest repo. All right, deploy dev, please. Making it slow, says Emma. Currently fighting the urge to write my own mini Z standard in Python. Like your own re-implementation of Z standard. That sounds like a lot of work. Wow, this page looks like shit. Wow, it looks so bad. Holy fuck. What? Why? Why does it look so bad? Where's my, like, padding around this? Prax says it's because you lack a passion for CSS? Bro, where's my, like, default padding? This looks, like, terrible. Like, even these don't look that bad, and I just copied their code. Oh, I guess they don't have any other data here. Mary Jou, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I hope you're doing well. It's only asymmetric numerical coding plus Huffman coding plus run length encoding. Doesn't sound terrible. And LZ77. Don't know what that is. Okay, what is the shit they have around this? Because clearly there's more padding nonsense happening here. I guess we can just play around with it. I don't even remember how to bootstrap. It's been so long. I think if we just do like M3? Yeah, it's already looking better. Already looking better. So we want M1? Is that, oh no, we want bigger numbers. M5? No. MX, no, MY3. We're getting somewhere. See, this already looks way less shit. But 5 is too many. MY4? See, this already looks fine. Right? This is good enough. Yeah, this is already looking better. What is the where did that? Pre-commit config.yaml. Does that render how I want it to? Nope. Oh, I want to do edit as HTML. Not as text. I was trying to XXS myself. Oh, fuck you, you stupid recommended garbage bullshit. I don't want you there. There. Is it the code tag? Yeah, there we go. Lempel ziv coding, basically a way to do stream-based dictionary coding by making back references in data streams. Oh. Funky. Kinda cool. Code.pre-commit config.yaml/code, and then we need to do my4. And then it looks sort of shit, but not the worst. It's good enough. And only paid customers are going to see this, so it's fine. And that seems like a good place to stop, to be honest. We'll do the actual modifications later. Because I'm tired. And I'm hungry, because I didn't have dinner. So, Lamau, we're going to finish this later. Anyway, my name is Anthony. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel at youtube.com/anthonywritescode. Currently once a week. And that is not the most recent video, but that's what YouTube is recommending. Yeah, so go check out these videos. I think the next couple weeks are going to be typing videos. I got like 3 ideas lined up, so I'm going to record those because I haven't done it yet. And I need to record in advance because I'm going on vacation at some point, so yeah. And if you missed any part of the stream, the VODs go up on the second channel, which is at anthonywritescode-vods. I'm trying to, oh, look, the thumbnail is Grandpa's iPad. And you mouse over and you get frozen wine cloud. Great. That's good. I like it. Walvy, thank you for your raid as well, and thank you for hanging out. Appreciate you stopping by. But yeah, go check out the VODs and join the Discord. That's where I announce streams. Yeah. And it's a fun place to hang out. Just in general. So that's your episode for today. Oh, I didn't sing a song. I'll just owe you one for next stream. Anyway, that's gonna wrap us up. Have a good one, chat. I'll see you around. Peace.